This is my 2019 Toyota TRD GT86, and for the past year and a half, I've been building this car to be the ultimate street car. Well now, after all that time, I believe that this car has came to a point where nothing needs to be changed or modded up anymore. I can finally start saving money, invest into other things like a responsible person. It's something I wish I can do. Eventually, I got used to how my car looked. I was suddenly no longer content with how it was set up. I mean, y'all know how this goes. What used to be something that I looked at proudly became boring. So being the financially irresponsible person I am, I decided to do something about this. It is time for some changes. My first plan of attack was the interior. My old Brit seat that I was hyped on was no longer cutting it. Time to swap it out for something that better matches my interior. How about another Zeta 3? But now we have the Cusco Collab Zeta 3 with the carbon Kevlar shell. Now with the additional red accents on the seat, it will definitely fit better with the rest of the interior. Second plan of attack, the steering wheel. Gone are the days of the energy hub and its quick release. Now we have a much simpler setup. The Worksbell short hub paired with my classic Nardi steering wheel. Third plan of attack, the exterior. I think it's time to switch up my wheel setup. Wait a minute, where are the Z's? Well, yeah, about that. I kinda sold them and replaced them with these Koenigs. Okay, let me explain. The Z's were 18s, and I wanted to try something different, so I sold them and got these instead. These are the Koenig Decagrams, but in a 17x9+40 spec. Gone are the days of the 18-inch wheels on this car. 17 inches just makes more sense. Tires are cheaper, they weigh lighter, and they overall just improve the driving experience on this platform. They make so much sense, in fact, that I decided to pick up another set of 17s. These are the Wedsport TC105X. This is in the 17x9+35 spec and the rare satin brawn finish. They look very similar to the ZEs, but I think these look better. With all this tied together, I think this just might be my favorite setup. Let me know what you guys think and enjoy.